Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Jisoo and Ahn Bo-hyun have decided to part ways less than 3 months after they started dating. As per sources, their busy schedules caused the split. Mere months after they started dating, Korean pop star Jisoo and actor Ahn Bo-hyun have decided to end their relationship. The same was confirmed by her agency YG Entertainment. It is true that Jisoo and Ahn Bo-hyun broke up, Blackpink's agency said. Jisoo and Ahn Bo-hyun's relationship naturally became distant due to their busy schedules, and they recently broke up, an insider told JTBC Entertainment News. The news of them dating was confirmed by YG Entertainment in August after a Korean media outlet reported on their budding romance. Jisoo and Ahn are in a stage where they are getting to know each other slowly with good feelings. We would appreciate if you could watch the couple with a warm gaze, YG Entertainment said in their statement, asking fans to be respectful of their privacy as they explore their relationship. Fans of the singer and the actor have also reacted to the news of their split. Why would he let her go? Jisoo is such a cool-headed personality, wrote one. Anyway, Jisoo deserves better, commented another. So soon, they started dating like yesterday, wrote another person. Jisoo is part of hit K-pop band Blackpink. The girl group, which debuted in 2016, has become a global phenomenon with its catchy songs, stunning visuals, and charismatic performances. Who is Ahn Bo-hyun? Ahn Bo-hyun is a renowned actor and model who has been in the industry since 2007. He started his career as a model before making his acting debut in 2014 with the KBS 2 drama Golden Cross. He has since impressed viewers with his versatile roles in hit series like Descendants of the Sun 2016, Itaewon Class 2020, Yumi Cells 2021, 2022, and Military Prosecutor Doberman 2022. What do you think? Write in the comment section. See you in the next video.